Today I'm diving into a full review of the Habib Bank Limited UAE HBL Platinum Credit Card based on my personal experience. Starting with the application process, it was straightforward but a bit slower than what you might expect from other major banks in the UAE. The online platform isn't the most intuitive, and at times I found it confusing to upload the required documents. Once approved, the card arrived within 10 business days, neatly packaged with clear instructions for activation. Activating the card was easy via the HBL UAE mobile app, which I must say is functional, but could use a more modern interface. The app occasionally lagged during logins, and when trying to access the card's rewards section. Speaking of rewards, the HBL Platinum Credit Card offers decent cashback on dining, shopping, and travel expenses. However, the cashback percentages aren't the highest compared to other Platinum cards available in the UAE. Annual fees are something you must pay close attention to. The HBL Platinum comes with a relatively high annual fee, and while it's waived for the first year under certain promotions, after that it kicks in regardless of usage. The card does provide complimentary airport lounge access and travel insurance, but only for specific lounges and limited countries. Many other useful links you can find in the description. One great advantage of the card is the flexible installment plans for larger purchases. If you love shopping, this feature can really help manage your budget. Interest rates on the card, however, are above the UAE market average if you don't pay your balance in full each month. Customer support is responsive, but getting through during peak hours requires patience. I also noticed that the loyalty points system can be a little confusing, with a lack of transparency on how points are calculated for various spending categories. Security features, like SMS transaction alerts and two-factor authentication for online purchases are solid and work seamlessly. However, if you frequently travel outside the UAE, you might face occasional transaction declines unless you inform the bank in advance, which can be a hassle. Overall, the Habib Bank Limited UAE HBL Platinum Credit Card is a decent option if you are loyal to HBL, or if you particularly want access to their travel perks. Otherwise, there are definitely more competitive options on the market offering better rewards, lower fees, and more user-friendly experiences. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. Your support helps me create more honest reviews like this one.